What are the labor laws for employee disciplinary action? Have you ever wondered how labor laws shape the way companies handle employee disciplinary actions? Understanding these laws is essential for creating a fair workplace. Let's break it down. Labor laws requiring that any disciplinary measures taken by employers are fair and consistent. The goal is to correct behavior rather than just punish employees. A common approach is the progressive discipline process. This typically starts with verbal warnings and can escalate to written reprimands, disciplinary probation, and even termination if needed. First, it is important for employers to clearly identify the issues at hand. This means documenting specific behaviors or performance problems. Employers should keep detailed records of incidents, including dates and descriptions. This helps ensure fairness and transparency in the process. Next, a thorough investigation is vital before any disciplinary action is taken. Employers should gather all relevant facts, which may involve reviewing records and interviewing witnesses. It is also important to discuss the issue with the employee to understand the context and whether the behavior is recurring. Disciplinary actions must align with the company's established policies. These policies are usually outlined in the employee handbook. This ensures that employees understand the consequences of their actions and that the process is consistent across the board. The progressive discipline process is designed to start with less severe measures. For example, an employer might first issue a verbal warning. If the behavior continues, they might then move to a written reprimanding. This approach encourages employees to improve rather than facing immediate harsh penalties. Documentation is key in this process. All disciplinary actions should be recorded and placed in the employee's personnel file. Employees often have the right to respond in writing to any disciplinary notices. Some labor laws allow employees to grieve or appeal certain disciplinary steps. It is also crucial for employers to comply with all applicable labor laws. This includes protections against discrimination and wrongful termination. Employers should avoid any actions that could be perceived as retaliatory or unjust. Termination is typically the last resort after other measures have failed. In cases of gross misconduct, termination may be necessary. However, legal procedures for dismissal must be followed, which may include notice periods or severance. By adhering to these labor laws, companies can create a positive work culture. Transparency, fairness, and respect in handling disciplinary matters help maintain trust and morale. This approach ensures that employees understand expectations and are given opportunities to correct their behavior. In summary, labor laws guide employers in handling disciplinary actions fairly and consistently. This not only protects the rights of employees but also fosters a supportive workplace environment.